The Riverside County parents accused of holding their 13 children in a house of horrors were back in court today. KCON's Dave Lopez live at the courthouse there in Riverside to show us what happened. Dave?
Well, it was a very quick proceeding. It was mostly for procedural matters. They're getting close to that May 14th preliminary hearing date when everything will be laid out on the table, at least enough to set the charges. So it was very quick, but there was one bit of a surprise. A family member showed up, and it wasn't one of the kids.
We are already set for a preliminary hearing.
Today in a Riverside courtroom, David and Louise Turpin sat feet apart, and for the first time since they have appeared in a courtroom, they were not chained at the hands and feet.
And we have a protective order due to the confidential nature of the records.
In a court session that lasted less than 5 minutes, the county council, which represents the 13 children that were allegedly mistreated, malnourished, and tortured, handed over 2 boxes of evidence that contains information about the 7 adult children and 6 juveniles. Information that was given to the court under seal.
Nothing at all?
The sister of Louise Turpin, Liz Flores, the aunt of the 13 children, was in the courtroom today and outside made it clear she did not want to answer any questions. None. Not even when I asked, have you seen the 7 adult children at all?
It's me, Lacey Swan. This is Songwriter. It's over.
And about this online video supposedly made by the 17-year-old daughter of the Turpins, the one who allegedly escaped from the home and called police, no one wanted to answer any questions about that. The aunt or the prosecutor or the defense attorneys. We can confirm that the 7 adult children, the oldest being 29, have all been released from the hospital, and they are living under one roof with adult supervision. We are told that they are confined mostly to the property where they're living, and they never go anywhere without supervision. As for the 6 juveniles, sources not authorized to speak on the record have told us that all 6 children have also been released from the hospital and are living in 2 separate foster homes, but they see each other often. Meanwhile, their mom and dad remain in jail, $12 million bail each. And the aunt also wouldn't answer any questions if she has seen her sister. She has been placed into custody. As for that May 14th date, I asked the prosecutor, and he told me I'm ready to go. When I asked the defense the same question, no response.